Alright guys, so we're moving on to the actual lock cylinder removal on the cylinder. Very simple to do. So you're going to start off in the back. There's a little tab pin right here. I usually use a little flathead and pry it. I stick it, I get it just been like right about there. Just pry it up out of the way. Ow! Stabbed myself. But look, the little lip right there. Once you get the little lip on there, pry it. It's gonna fly, so be careful. Yep, there you go. Made it to the floorboard. Cool. Once that is out, I'm gonna remove this on top. Very gently. Try not to break anything, bend anything out of place. All I usually do is over the driver mat. This does have a spring on it. Pieces. Everything there. Alright. Next we're gonna moving on to extracting out the lock cylinder. So we're gonna stick our key in, still nothing. We're gonna pull on it. Voila. There it is. And let's see if I can get the camera off. And that's the problem right there. That pin's bent. So you could get a grinder and grind that down and stick everything back together. But we're just gonna go ahead and do a complete delete so this customer never has to worry about it again. There we have it. Empty shell. It's gonna work perfectly. Never ever have to worry about this again. Even when you get new ones, they do it too. The pins will bend over time when you put dirt on the keys. Now we're gonna go ahead and reassemble everything back in order. When you're doing this, just pay attention to the pin. There's a little guide pin right here. You'll see it. Oh, there it is. See it? That's how you know you're in the right spot. Okay. There we are, all put back together. All put back. Okay guys, another thing. Resetting the keys. Okay, you take off the two screws on there. There's little two screws. This is for the steering lock, right? Yep, you're gonna take the two off. There's this little plate in here. You take that off. And then there's a little button in here you gotta press. You press that button in all the way down.